Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne, and today we are going to be doing Topbox. Just so you know, Topbox is, I think, $15 now. I forgot now. $15 a month. It is a Canadian subscription. The payment gets taken out the 20th of each month, and it is delivered the 15th of the following month. So this is November's box. You can upgrade your box to what they call a Prive box, a Prive box. You will get an email between, let's say, the 23rd usually and the 27th to the 28th. They ask if you want to swap out your mystery 4 items that you could get for one or two items usually, and in the box or in the options it will tell you what you are actually getting. So like I've gotten a Fenty concealer, and I've gotten like all sorts of stuff like that. I've gotten Laneige foundation, so it can be really worth it. This month I actually did not choose a Prive box, but I was able to snag the coveted add-on, which is about $10 plus taxes. There's no shipping included in this box. So I have seen some of the spoilers for the add-on, so I'm super excited to see which one I got. So let's open up this box. If you want to sign up for this box, this month's box is sold out. If you sign up right now, you'll be put on a bit of a wait list until the 20th when they take out the payment, and you should get an email about that, and then you'll be able to get December's box. So let's see what I got. Yee. Okay, so the first item I see here is Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm, Rich Cream for the Face. I have gotten this so many times between Ipsy, Topbox, and a few other subscriptions. I actually don't like it because I find that it's too much for me and not really keen on the packaging. But I do have somebody that is looking for this. I already have her bag made up, so I will have to put that in there as well. So, okay, so it says here, don't forget to fill out your wish list survey at the end of the month. Okay, so it's also saying that it's all exciting Prive boxes that will be available for you to wish for. So it has a belief thing in here. So, I can't believe this. I got the Triple Sec 3-in-1 texture, volume, and refreshes Drybar. Now Drybar is a super expensive brand, and that light is gonna, can you see it back here, sir? I don't even know how much this is. Wow, that is definitely worth my $12 this month. Drybar is so expensive. Ooh, oh my. And I got Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Oh, I have so needed this. I've got a spot right there that I want to get rid of. Oh my gosh, Murad is super expensive. Like, I might have to, oh, look at that. And that's full size, guys. So this has 2% hydroquinone skin lightener. Wow. Do you have your phone? I love English Rose Scented Body Wash. Ooh, so that's nice. So there's 4 items. I'm just gonna look up some of these items here. And I have to turn on my mom's phone. Let's see if it'll turn on here. Okay, so, oh, you know what? I'm gonna list the, I'm gonna try and look up the prices and put them in the video for you, but I can't believe that. Like, that is super expensive. Oh, there we go. So the last item I see, I am super excited about. This is my $10 add-on, and this is full size, and it's Youth to the People Maki and Akia Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. I can't remember if this is the one I already have upstairs or not, but oh my Lord, I love this. Now, it's funny because actually all I've got is skincare. Like, there's no makeup in here. So, let's see here. Let's open the internet. Oops, wrong one. So I'm just gonna quickly look this up. So we're gonna go to Sephora because, you know, that's where you get all your good stuff. Just bear with me here a moment. I have to look this up because that's just crazy. Oops. Go to the American one. Yep. Okay, so let's look up the Drybar first. I don't know if you heard that, but that's all the snow falling off the roof here. We have a steel roof here, so it just all fell off. It was kind of crazy there. So let's see here. So the Drybar, that's triple sec. La, 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 come on. Triple sec 3-in-1. So this is $34. I don't know if you can see that. This here is worth $34. Oh. Okay, so let's look up the Murad. Age spot. Rapid age spot and pigment. Oh, there it is. Environmental shield. So for a full size, that's $32. Right there is $60. Okay, so then let's go to the youth to the people. Is that the Super Berry? Nope. Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Okay, so let's see here. MAQUR. Okay, this is valued at $58. So my box alone, just on 3 items, is over $100 with a $20 payment. So I'm not sure about this brand, but I will definitely be using this. I actually might even use this as like a bubble bath. Oh, it smells really, really nice. Very berry. So I have to admit, like, Topbox actually kind of like hit the nail on the head for me. Like, I am super excited. So this is a dry, yeah, for sort of like a 3-in-1. So I guess it like you could kind of use this as a hairspray. Let's see here. A hairspray, or is it like a, oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna have to hide this from my son. So it's like a bit of a hairspray, texturizer, and what's the other word I want to look for? Dry shampoo. That's what it is. I can feel that. Look at that already. Wow. Okay, guys. That is super exciting. I kind of like the scent of it too, which is really odd. I don't like a whole lot of scents. With that being said, I think that this was definitely a win for me. I will be staying on board. I also bought the Luxebox, so I'm interested to see what that has as well. Like I said, this box is actually sold out, so if you sign up today, you will be put on the wait list for December's. I just kind of wanted to do a quick review. I had been using some of the items from the BoxyCharm Premium. I used the Natasha Denone blush. I'm not exactly sure. I still have to kind of figure it out. I used the brushes from BoxyCharms, a couple of them. I didn't use all of them, so I have to try and use more of them. I used the foundation brush and I really, really liked it. I had the Becca on, but it obviously had worn off because I had done my makeup before my child went down, and she ended up falling asleep on me, so it just kind of wore off. I did like it. I liked the way it felt. I'm not sure if you can see. I have probably quite a bit of a good glow from the Vasali, and that's the highlight from the Natasha Denone. I did use the Red Dragon under my eyes, or the Dragoon, and I really, really liked it. I don't know what is happening, but I am breaking out big time. I'm not exactly sure what's doing it, but it's starting to annoy me. Anyway, I should be having my Ipsy tomorrow. If you haven't already, please, please, please go and watch my October unboxing of Look Fantastic, as I am giving away the a second box that I had purchased. All you have to do is watch the video. It will tell you how to enter in, as well as I am now going to be affiliate for FabFitFun. They do have a certain promo on, which I'm going to add the link below. If you sign up using my link, we both get a $150 mini box, as well as you will get $10. No, sorry, you don't get the $10 off. But if I sell 3 boxes between now and I think February, maybe, I get another free box, which if I get a free box, I'm going to be giving that out to my viewers. So yes, if you are looking at getting FabFitFun, please use the link below and help me out. You and I will both get a free mini box, which sounds really cool. Anyway, and the customizations are closing tonight. If you have FabFitFun, don't forget that, as well as the add-ons. So don't forget that, please. Yes, let me know. This is also box number 3, I believe. Let me see here. Yeah, I got box number 3. So excited. I'm thrilled. I think this is actually, Topbox has beat out most of the other boxes, I have to admit. Yeah, especially when you include Youth to the People, which is one of my absolute favorite brands. So anyway, thank you for watching, and stay tuned.